All right, so we looked at metals, and today we want to go a step further and look at non-metals. So to start with, we'll start with the hydrogen. So what you should know is that the hydrogen as a symbol of H2, that is hydrogen, and why it is written H2, it's because at room temperature, hydrogen occurs as a diatomic molecule. It is a diatomic molecule. So where can you find hydrogen? Mostly hydrogen is found in water. Okay, that is where you can find hydrogen in water. Then you can also find it in oils. You can also find it in natural gas. So I mentioned three things where hydrogen is found. One, water, oil, and natural gases. Now, what are the physical characteristics of hydrogen? The physical characteristics of hydrogen, first of all, you should know that hydrogen, this hydrogen that you're seeing, it is colorless. It is odorless, meaning it doesn't have a smell. And then it is less denser than air. The other thing that you should know about hydrogen is that it does not support life, this hydrogen. So now, how do you prepare hydrogen? We shall only mention two ways. And the first way that we'll mention is the action of metals on acid. And this is what you are seeing here. So, action of metals on acid. So if you look at the mixture here, there's a dilute acid, then there's copper 2 sulfate and zinc. So there's copper 2 sulfate solution there. So now, why are you adding copper 2 sulfate? Remember, you're adding copper 2 sulfate in this one to act as a catalyst, just to speed up a chemical reaction. So when you mix them, what happens is the zinc will react with acid. And you know, when a metal reacts with an acid, hydrogen is produced and a salt. So that will be the product that you'll be seeing. And these bubbles is an indication that a gas has been produced. And the gas that you're going to produce here is hydrogen. So how do you test for hydrogen? Usually this hydrogen produced here comes out with a burning pop sound. So that is the first method. The second method is the action of a metal with water. For example, metals like magnesium ribbon, they react with cold water. And when they do, they give out a metal hydroxide. For example, magnesium plus water, it will give magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen. So the gas produced will be hydrogen as well when a metal reacts with the cold water there. That is another method in which hydrogen is being corrected. So the reaction takes place by heating a little bit the magnesium ribbon here. And what happens when it reacts with water? It produces the gas, which is called hydrogen. So we said, how do you test for hydrogen? We test for hydrogen because hydrogen produces a pop sound. So what are the chemical characteristics of hydrogen so far that we've noticed? Hydrogen can react with oxygen, and when it reacts with oxygen, it produces water. The number two, what you should know is that it does not have any effect on a litmus paper. So meaning that a litmus paper does not change the color when hydrogen is involved. And so what are the uses of hydrogen that we have? Uses of hydrogen. So these are the uses for hydrogen. It's used as a fuel in rockets, especially hydrogen, which is in liquid form. It is used to hydrogenate oil, usually making of margarine. It is used to produce ammonia. It is used to produce methanol. It is used in welding torches. So these are the uses of hydrogen. Thank you for watching.